Hey guys, we're going to be learning your first chords. How exciting! So the first chord we're going to be learning is the A minor 7 chord. So you're going to put your first finger on the second to last string in the first fret. So that'd be right here. And then your second finger is going to go on the third string of the second fret. So it should look like this. And you want to make sure you use the tips of your fingers, not the you want to make sure you use the tips, okay? And make sure you put your fingers as close as you can to this bar, okay? Because if you move it to the middle of the fret, it's going to get a weird fuzzy sound. So don't worry if it doesn't sound very good at first. Just keep on practicing, okay? And for this chord, you're not going to be playing the first string, so it should sound like this. So if it sounds a little fuzzy, press a little harder. I know it hurts your fingers. Just bear with me and it will get better, I promise. If you practice every day, your fingers will be numb to the pain. So once it sounds pretty clear, just practice it a few more times and then you can go to the next chord. Okay, once you get the A minor 7 chord down, you can move on to the C major chord, which your first two fingers are going to stay in the same exact spot, but you're going to add a third finger, which is going to the third fret, second string. So it should look like this. And for this chord, you're also not going to be playing the first string, so it should sound like this. Oops. There we go. And then practice that a few times, pause the video if you need, and next chord is D major. So your first finger is going to go in the second fret, fourth string. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your second finger is going to go on the second fret, sixth string, which is the last string. And then your third finger is going to go on the third fret, second to last string, which right here. So it's kind of a hard one, but yes, work on it and you'll get it. And you're not going to be playing the first two strings. So that's what it should sound like. And if you're getting a fuzzy noise, don't worry. Just make sure you stay on the tips of your fingers. Make sure your fingers don't touch any other strings, because I'll get this weird fuzzy noise like this or something. Make sure if it gets something like that, just make sure you're staying on the tips of your fingers. So that's that string. And practice that a few more times, and we'll go on to the G major. So for the G major, you're not going to be using your first finger, which is this one. You're going to be using your second. So you're going to put your second finger on the second fret, second string, your third finger on the third fret, first string, and your fourth finger, which is your pinky, on the third fret, last string. So this is definitely one of the harder ones because your pinky is on there, but when in songs, it's a lot easier to have your pinky there. And you're going to play all the strings. So practice that a few times, and now I'm going to be showing you how you can put together strumming and your chords. So you can pick any of these chords we just learned. So I'm just going to pick the G major. And you're going to use your strumming hand. And I'm just going to be playing a down, 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 4 downs. 1, and then 4 ups. And you can combine up, down, up, down, up, down. So, and if you want, you can experiment with some different patterns, like you can go down, down, up, down, down, up. So you can play with that and just learn these chords. And so that's it for this video. And so hopefully you enjoyed the beginner series and you kind of got a feel for how to start playing the guitar and what you can do to improve on your guitar skills. So if you enjoyed this series, keep on playing the guitar and just learn more chords, put those chords into a song, and have fun with it. So thank you for watching the series. Bye! Have fun!